Hello guys, this is Ibrahim Babatode from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to use SQL to solve the problem that I've solved using Python, using Microsoft Excel as well as Power Query. And what is that problem? The problem is we want to look at the highest salary in each of these department. Okay, if you look at the finance department, you can see that I have finance department repeated 3 times, and the 94,000 is the highest salary. Then we want to do the same thing for the other department. So as to know what is our highest salary in each of those department, if you want to make any policy concerning that, so that we can know what to do with it. Now we assume that this is our database. Okay, it might be more than this, and to achieve that, okay, let me close this, let me close it. Okay, let me open my SQL workbench. Okay, as we have it now, I don't just want to be replicating that data. Okay, it will take my time, and as a result of that, I can import it, but ensure that your file is in CSV format whenever you want to import it into my SQL workbench. Okay, let me look at it. Empty day. Okay, this is empty day CSV. Okay, that is command separated value. Okay, I have this, then click on next. Okay, I want to create a new table and I want to call it empty days. I have this, then click on this. Okay, as you can see that it has indicated the type of the data I have: integer, text, integer, and text. As you can see, the preview of that data the way I have it in my Microsoft Excel. Okay, click OK. Okay, now let me import it. Okay, so you can see that it has worked fine. Okay, now let me click next. You can see that it has imported 10 records. By implication, that will be in my IDE environment. Now it has formed another schema, which is table. Okay, now just refresh it like this. I've refreshed it, then let me see the table, and you can see it empty details. Let me call it, and to call it, just write select select all the columns, command, sorry, from from where, from empty days. Okay, you can see that I have it. Then I'll close my parentheses and let me run it. As you can see it, I have everything the way I had it in Python, Microsoft Excel, and Power Query. But the what to achieve here is to look at the highest salary in each of the department, as we said that earlier. Okay, now you will now write code, and how am I going to achieve this? Okay, let me edit this. Okay, I can just say from empty text. Okay, and I will say group by, I want to group it, group group by group by what, group by department. That's something that I will still do later. Okay, group by this, but I have to let me remove this one and call this max. Okay, max, this keyword, max what, maximum of what, maximum of salary. Okay, from employee detail, group by department. Okay, is there anything I still need to do here? I think it's fine now. Okay, let me run it. Okay, you can see that I have it the way I have it in the other data analytical tools. But if I want to see the correspondence department now, what I will do is just add depth command, then let me run it. As you can see that I have finance 94,000, accounting 93,000, HR 99,000, business intelligence 86,000. But let's assume that I want to attach name to them. Okay, you might not be able to put name here, name. Okay, because if you do that, let me do it and see what will happen. Name, comma, Okay, let me run it and see what will happen. Can you see? It's Tunde, but Tunde is not the highest salary earner in finance. It is actually Tomori. Okay, if you check, it is actually Tomori, which is 94,000. What it does here is that it just pick the first person in finance, okay, and attach it to this, but this does not make sense. It can bring out misinterpretation of the data, okay, and that is why we always say that and no matter how best the data analyst is, if you are working with a bad data, then they will make wrong decision based on that data. As a result of that, you have to be very careful whenever you are writing your query. Okay, here now let me remove this. Okay, you can see that I've removed this now. Okay, I have this, but now I want to use subquery to achieve it, to put name correctly. Okay, to do that, let me run this so that you can see what I have there. Okay, I've run it, as you can see it. Okay, now what I will do now, I will just uh let me put this down. Okay, I will now say select everything, all, select all. Okay, from where, from empty employee detail. Okay, I will now say where I want to filter it now, where salary, that is salary column, in this guy I will now pass this or this. Okay, I want to use this highest salary to filter it. Okay, you can see, let me now run it. Can you see that I have it correctly now? I have Enentomori Magic. You see, and that is the way, one way you can do it. There's another way you can use to do this. Okay, let me make use of it, which is window function. Let me make use of window function, and to do that, okay, you just need to think around it. Okay, if let me recall my data, select all from, sorry, from empty. Okay, let me run it. Okay, you can see that I have this now, and what I will do now, I will just make use of rank. Okay, I will make use of rank now. To do this, let me just edit this. I want to see my data. Okay, I can see select all, comma, then I want to use window function, which is rank, rank over then partition by what? I want to partition it by department, which is debt. Okay, then I want to order by salary. Sorry, order by salary. Then I want it to be in descending order. Okay, now close it. I can call this max salary. Okay, let me call it rank underscore rank salary. Then let me run it and see what we will have. You can see that it has ranked it for me 1 2. This is accounting department. I have it, and if you look at the business intelligence department, you can see that I also have 1 2. The same thing, finance department, Tomori is the highest earner. As you can see, it has done everything for me, but this is not what I want. By implication, I need to filter it by this one. Okay, everyone in each of that department should give me what I'm looking for, and as a result of that, what I will do now, I will make use of our common table expression. Okay, to do that, I will just say with, okay, let me call it my name Tunde with Tunde. Let this come down with Tunde as. Okay, you have to give these parentheses. uh, this is what we call common table expression. By implication, what I want to do here is to create temporary table. Okay, this, I have this now, you have to remove this. Okay, then I will now say select what I want to select, everything. Select all, or what, or I should select name. Let me select name, salary and department. Okay, name, command, salary, as well as department, debt. Okay, from where, from 20, which is the virtual table I created. 20. Okay, with condition where rank salary, rank underscore salary is equal to 1. Okay, then let me end it and run it. Can you see that I have the same result? There are many ways of achieving your result. Once you know how you will go about it. Okay, I believe that you still find this video useful. If you do, I sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that immediately we upload new content, you will get a notification. Thank you for watching. I say remain your Ibrahim Babatunde from Dynamic Analytics. Till next time, bye for now.